Hey guys, my name's Annie and welcome to another tutorial video. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a simple MVVM model for a WPF using C#. This is going to be a very simple model, so we're going to skip the view model part of the MVVM. So let's get straight into it. I'll create a new WPF project. Right, so this is our UI part of the project. This is the code behind it. So I'm gonna make the model. Just gonna add another class to the solution. Call it model. Has to be public. It has to inherit from identified property changed. We can implement the interface using Visual Studio as the option too, so why not use it? Now we're gonna add our event handler. This is literally all we need for the model to function and update the UI in real time. I'm gonna add the content that we're gonna display. Oh, and we need a constructor where we set the content to 1, so it's not a null. I'm gonna create a label that is gonna hold this value. So going back to our UI XML, I'm gonna create a label. I'm gonna put the font size to higher so we can clearly see it. And here's where we bind our UI element to the model. So content, binding, and the property we just created. Okay, I'm gonna create a timer that's gonna add a value every second because it's a bad habit to sleep your thread, especially when you're working with UI. Timer, call it a timer, and we need a little method to start it. And we'll add it a 1 second value, which is 1000 milliseconds. We need a on time event. Whenever the timer passes 1 second mark, it's gonna fire up an event that we're gonna use. Here I just double tapped and it created the method for the event, which is pretty nice and handy from Visual Studio. Auto reset, set the through, and enabled. And whenever our timer event hits or fires, we're gonna add to our content property. And of course, we need to notify the UI that a property has been changed. So we're gonna use the onPropertyChanged method, and we'll let it know that content has been changed. Last thing to do is to set the data context of our UI to the model. We'll create a new instance, and we forgot to do one thing, which is start the timer in our model. So now we fire up the application and we should see a 1 second timer. There it is. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, like the video to help me out, to help out the channel to grow. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.